Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for tuning in. Today we are making a veggie and chicken creamy pasta, and I'm sure you are going to love this. You have to try it. Okay, without any further ado, let's get right into it. This is what you're going to need. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need some carrots, red pepper, green pepper, mushrooms, spinach, parsley, finely chopped garlic, and some chicken. Okay? And these are all the measurements on the video. And also you need to prepare some pasta. you so much for watching till the end, and I really hope you're going to try this amazing creamy pasta. I promise you, you won't regret it. This is actually my son's favorite pasta dish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.